How to make an automatic smelter in Minecraft. So first you will need 4 chests, 4 hoppers, and 2 furnaces. So first just put 2 chests right there. I'm just gonna move it right here. Then get your hopper, place it here at the back. Once it's done, get your furnace and place it here at the top of the hopper. Then get 2 hoppers again, place it here at the top of the furnace. Once that's done, get your chest and place it here at the top of our hopper. So it should be looking like that. So before you start smelting, what you will need is a coal or lava bucket. It's up to you. I prefer lava bucket. I'm just gonna place it right here on the furnace. Once that's done, I have some gold ores right here. So what you need to do now is just simply place it here at the top. So place it just like that. Now you just simply need to wait till it is finished smelting right here. So just wait for it. So after quite some time, you could just simply go back here on our automatic smelter and check chest below. And as you can see, it just automatically drops it right there. So it drops from the chest right here to the furnace, then to the chest that we made here at the bottom. And that's how you basically make an automatic smelter in Minecraft.